Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages that benefit the body immensely, as it's a source of many beneficial nutrients and compounds to human health, and below are the top 6 known health benefits of green tea. 1. Rich in minerals and vitamins. Green tea contains some minerals and elements that are very beneficial to the body, which include chromium, calcium, manganese, magnesium, iron, copper, selenium, sodium, zinc, phosphorus, nickel, and potassium that helps the body rejuvenate. 2. Good for diabetics patients. Drinking green tea can improve the condition of people with type 2 diabetes. As such, green tea can contribute to reducing insulin resistance in patients with type 2 diabetes, thereby controlling blood sugar levels. 3. Helps in urinary tract infections. Drinking green tea can help relieve urinary tract infections by inhibiting the growth of strains of Escherichia coli bacteria. The presence of a compound found in green tea, which is known as epigallocatechin, indicates that green tea has an antimicrobial effect that can help fight urinary tract infections and stop the growth of unwanted microorganisms. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Among the benefits of drinking green tea is that it contains the largest amount of antioxidants compared to other types of tea, and among the most important antioxidants are polyphenols. Also, anti-inflammatory properties are found in green tea, which can contribute to reducing the risk of cancer and other harmful diseases. 5. Beneficial to the stomach. Green tea can reduce the risk of stomach cancer, as it could help impede the process of carcinogenesis or tumor growth in the stomach. On the other hand, the caffeine in green tea may affect some people negatively, causing stomach pain, diarrhea, and nausea, which is why the caffeine should be reduced by preparing green tea with warm water and by not drinking more than 2 cups of green tea in a day. 6. Good for the colon. Among the health benefits of green tea is the ability to help reduce the risk of colon and rectal cancer. Green tea can also contribute to relieving ulcerative colitis, as the epigallocatechin 3-gallate in green tea has anti-inflammatory properties and reduces the condition of those with ulcerative colitis. Now that you know the health benefits of green tea, including it in your diet can help improve your overall health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it on your social media platforms for others to benefit. For more helpful videos and tips, subscribe to the channel and check out the description below to visit our website for more health-related topics.